push old dead tree back, clean the land up. Boss man on the grade crew used to always say, knock them ridges down. Don't leave them ridges. So we knocked them ridges down. Just cleaning up storm damage. Cut all that junk dirt off so we can get some grass in it. This dirt for something else we're doing now. Culture grass. Push all that back. Clean it up. Knock them ridges down. Don't leave them ridges. Taught me a lot, doesn't it? Remember, like, share, and subscribe. If you like old tractors, I'm you guys too.